Hello, today I'm in Suzuki Swift. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can increase radio volume, decrease it, change radio station and change radio source. Then we can check radio info and mute the radio. Right here we've got 3 buttons, thanks to which we can answer the call and go and use voice assistant. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. Now on the right side of the steering wheel we've got the panel, thanks to which we can activate cruise control, speed limiter, change distance to following car and enable lane sense in cruise control. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.